Okay, on to the next video. It does have an outside storage, which of course is held up right here by that retainer. That storage does go all the way across. You can see there's your tool for your jacks. It does have 4 corner stabilizer jacks, scissor type. Okay, here's one of them right there. 4 corners have it. Spare tire and cover. Now that goes in a small little 1.25 hitch. So you could pull the spare out and put on a rack of some kind with an 1.25 inch, and that way you can carry a cooler or something like that on the back of this. That's where your license plate would go. Here's the other storage compartment. Like I said, it does go all the way across. Okay. Here is the water heater. It is gas or electric, goes either way. There's the switch. Kind of back in behind there. But that's for the electric side. Alright. Here is your freshwater tank fill, city water connection, and there's your cable and satellite hookup, and that's the furnace vent for the outside, and there's your sewer hookup. All right, end of this video.